Have you seen this?
This just may be the last instant read thermometer you ever buy.
Say hello to the all-new Lightning. This is ThermoPro's all-new, incredibly fast handheld thermometer that
Will last a lifetime because you can always calibrate it for perfect accuracy.
How fast?
200% faster than its competitors.
It reads temperatures within 1 second.
It is so fast they even called it lightning.
With pinpoint accuracy in less than 1 second, down to a half a degree, this is one of the most accurate instant read thermometers on the market.
Some of the other features include an intelligent sleep-wake mode. It automatically shuts off after 90 seconds and then reactivates once picked up.
The all-environment rotating screen means you can see this large LED readout in any situation.
Lightning also has a rotating display, which suits both lefties and righties.
Lightning also features a magnetic back with recommended internal temperatures, so you know you're cooking right every single time.
The best part? It has a 10-year warranty and is affordable.
Lastly, it's waterproof, so you can easily clean it up with water. Order one today. I bet you'll love it as much as I do.